like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to watch the ads. As you know, Michael Jackson living colors. Don't forget to watch the ads. Subscribe and share. But you see the same stone that the builder man refuse shall be the head cornerstone. Bianca Entertainment, I go make it, and them good. Yes, no man. Like and share, subscribe, don't forget that. Patrick, you have to drive past me. To your wife and I carry drive past me. Patrick, me now going in New Year, so Patrick, you have to drive past me. I tell your wife about because me can't go in a New Year, so Patrick, you have to drive.
You serious?
You come at me, you might get away, but you touch her. I promise I'm the last thing you'll see before you talk to God.
Did you smoke this morning?
Weed don't bother me.
Did you smoke this morning?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah.
No? Because Gary, Baba Booey, you know, he thought you smoked weed. He thought you smelled like weed.
Me? Nah, I don't smoke weed.
Yeah, I mean, you know weed.
I hate weed.
Let's see how old TikTok really thinks I am. Well, okay then.
Wait, are you wearing a bra?
No, I took that thing off. It was getting in the way of my girls.
Maddock, I command you to put a bra on this instant.
I refuse! My melons were meant to be free.
Maddock, cease this foolishness.
I can jiggle if I want to. I can leave my bra behind.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
In the name of Jesus.
Daddy, so who tell you to get sick? You never did wear your mask. Who tell you to get sick? You never did wear your mask. All the time you forgot your mask. That's why you catch corona. I talk about.
Nobody can disrespect me. Nobody. After my mouth no left and my mama. I did say you fuck.
No calls? I understand. No text? I understand. No time for me? I understand. But when you see me with someone else, I hope you understand.
Me can't suffer again. Suffer is not in my Suffer is not in my vocabulary. Suffer is not in my Suffer.
Yeah, watch me and not talk be a shit. Me different. Me no be a sick. Yo, gunman, load up a clip.
What happened today? I hit her. I said, 'cause she hit you, huh? Nope. Did she say something mean to you? She didn't get a chance.
Oh my God!
If you think you're bad, buy me not 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 Valentine gift and you see. The only thing me accept for Valentine is some rice, flour, sugar and some chicken because I soon can buy food. If you truly love me, help me to survive. Now carry a glass buckle.
You say you don't have bad mind. But the truth is, all of us have two minds.
No.
One good and one bad. And just the one where you choose to use.
Oh, you come inside just to rape me.
I and I man have better taste than that. But come here for the bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bubba Dread. Wear this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Kita.
You can't have a boy in your bed. Why not? You do. I'm a grown-up. I'm pregnant. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Why should anybody believe in Ninja Man?
I don't care if you believe me after you know God.
Big up me, cause me nah give up. It rough for me out here, but me nah give up.
Clothes are not my problem, because I can't get it for borrow.
That's it.
Me no want no clothes to myself, because I don't like wash.
Wait the man dash them away.
Wait the man give them back.
I love my boyfriend so much. If he laughs, I laugh. If he cries, I cry. If he cheats, I cheat. If he dies, I'll miss him.
Hold on, let me get my glasses on so I can see it. What is that? Oh, it's a bitch!
Don't feel like you're king or queen or princess or Cinderella and prince in my contact. Me block anybody. Thank you.
Are you single?
Yeah. Out of all the girls that has ever lived on this planet Earth, and there's been billions, who's the cutest?
Me.
Okay.
I haven't had sex in so long, I'm afraid I'll forget how to moan. What if I fuck up and I bark?
Got him! Got him!
Me not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ. Them can't do me no. Them can't do me no at all. No.
Come on, Gregory. Tie your shoes. We're leaving.
I don't have shoelaces, though.
You don't have shoelaces?
Nah.
Are those Velcro straps?
Material girl.
Don't have a boyfriend and I don't want it. And if I want one, I could have 4 or 5 of them if I want. But I don't want to associate with nobody.
Stop being friends with people you don't like. It's okay to not like other people, but it's kind of weird when you pretend to be their friend when deep down you know you can't stand them. God is not pleased with that kind of behavior, and neither am.
So when I see your boyfriend?
Nothing not all, you know.
Yeah?
He not treat me no good.
Oh my God. What make him not treat you good?
He not no money to give me. I'm hungry.
Oh my. So what that in your hand? You rather drink rum and you're hungry? Oh my. I'll get the money and come back and give you something, yeah? Alright, later.
How much you does it?
I hear the blood clot boy, them all love. As you and them start text them and ask if you can come at them yard. I look homeless stay back, man.
A woman goes to prison to visit her husband, who has been sentenced for 40 years.
Oh, Roger. 40 years, Roger.
Well, my love, what are you gonna do?
Oh, Roger, I spoke to the lawyer that's handling your case.
And what did he say, my love?
He told me that every time I sleep with him, he'll reduce your sentence by 1 year.
What? Oh, that miserable bastard. What did you say to that son of a...
Oh, Roger, we'll talk about it at home. Pick up your stuff. Let's go.
I know every friend real. Some friend will be there for you because you don't have nothing. They will also motivate you to have things. But when you put in the hard work and success start come your way, them same friend they becomes...
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
How I start
Release
my day.
negative thoughts, release negative people, soar with the eagles, leave out the drunkos.
I'm gonna tell you this. I whole heap of no must switch up for me, both friend and family. But I just got some boops in one corner. Cause you see, my God, nah make me suffer.
As soon 12 o'clock, you know, I'm going to want something off of the road for eat because today feel like Friday. So don't come here with your empty hand. Oh, you mean what I mean? Today I want crepes.
Me practicing how to chop a line.
This is Shanice Hannah calling from the Lottery Scam Act. Tom Buckland! Ah, look at it! We're rich! We're rich!
So top of the morning. I don't know who need to hear this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Remember, say God never ever left you empty. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. You're going to replace everything where you lose.
How your textbook look so?
We textbook look so? You don't know what textbook.
So how it look so?
We don't know. We don't know.
So teacher, I must have book them now.
Oh. That they like on for me, teacher.
Yeah, then look for the school bag. Run it down. Dad, run it down.
Which bag can I run?
So, I'm to your bag. I'm to your school things. Don't let me get Jordan.
I mean, but Emma.
Apparently, this filter shows how you would look like with the bangs. So, let's go. Putang ina mo lang TikTok.
You are married, but you want a girl that is hot. Why not go and boil your wife?
I want the healthy, like a soldier.
So you no light?
Light your bumbo clock.
Mama tell them people them some want a bumbo clock sugar daddy now. Stop cuss the bad word. You're being so dramaterium.
Are you single?
No.
Are you dating?
No.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
Are you married?
No.
Then what are you?
No buying Valentine gifts for anybody.
Wait, so my boyfriend now also your boyfriend? Wow! We are related by dick.
Men think we turn the lights off during sex to hide our bodies. Please. We turn the lights off so you can be somebody else, nigga.
I hate when people ask me, when are you going to fall in love? Fall in love? I can barely fall asleep. You see the bags under my eyes? I'm trying to convert them into money. Leave me alone.
Me get a man for Valentine's Day. But a people man.
Damn, girl, you got some beautiful lips. You should see the other ones. Huh? Huh?
This is not Sprite. Open.
What you want me to do?
Bend down. Open. Bend down. Yeah, let me tell you what it is.
That's nasty.
It's pee.
What?
Nobody call me with them problem. Stay with no problem. Don't call me with no problem. Me eat problem. Keep on the baggage. Me no custom. Me can't clear them. Keep on the baggage. Me light.
Yeah, boy, can't party morning. But more money for buy sugar and milk put in there.
I have one thing for say, ladies, wanna stop spray, wanna cologne them pound on nipple. On nipple bitter. Stop with a bitter titty attitude. Man, I say couldn't brace and I sink a Bible. Stop it, man.
No joke, fun and joke. And me alone never see one Chinese funeral yet. Like, and me alone see much Chinese at Jamaica, but me never see one Chinese funeral yet, or me never hear see one Chinese dead. But them bury them. And me alone.
Where is the cover for the book?
Me say, me dash you away.
We'll throw it far.
You want it?
It's supposed to stay on the book. I don't matter if me want it, it's supposed to stay on the book.
It's supposed to stay on the book.
Look at the textbook too.
You ever made a TikTok and you're so excited to post it and then no one likes it? Same.
Excuse me. I love you. Ooh, and I appreciate you. And everything you do for me.
Sometimes a relationship somehow no I beg. No I beg fuck. No I beg relationship. Where girl nah look. Yeah, girl that just give you a fuck. But have you as a real brethren on the side, you know? Nah look no relationship, but you are look real.
Me? Sometimes I just go. And sometimes I just come back. I just right now just feel like my God.
So you're not married?
Nope.
Ever been?
Nope.
Want to be?
No.
Don't you want a woman of your own?
What for?
Share your name, bear your children, be a companion.
They asked me to quit drinking, quit gambling, save my money, and to bitch about her aches and pains all day? No, thanks.
Oh my gosh, sweetie. I'm so sorry. You think I care. He fucks everybody.
People be like, I ain't seen you in a while. Where you been? Tending. Tending to my business.
Wait. So you unblock me because you want to watch my status. You want to know what's going on in my life. You want the updates. Come on. Block me back. Block me back.
Under no circumstances do I bow.
Me never say nothing about bowing. So if you plan to take him out on vacuum, sorry, me not carpet.
Furthermore, 2 weeks only not pay me the money. Now me not work for free, they not pay me.
No, yeah, but I can buy them special vitamins, so jump up and nana me.
that, you know. I want you to pay me my money.
You get one in a maths measurement right. Suppose you better touch me. Huh? How would that dust, yeah.
So, how can you tell when a man is cheating on you?
You think your man cheating?
Yes, I do.
That's how you can tell.
Before you fuck up, remember, not everyone accepts apology. Some believe in revenge.
All right, you guys, this is Noah. Put your real age and put a fake age and let the people.
How I make cheeseburgers at Girls Chill Spot Oco Rios for only $500.
Me's not the type of person who give people the chance for this me and get way. For you put in the address in your GPS wrong and fuck you get cause you pass your place now bumper wall.
Many things that face me, I laugh for fun. Immune to it. We're firm out here, nobody can get to me. Me have to say, alright rebel, you go act. You go settle and act soothing and this go affect you. If me no want you affect me, you can't affect me. Suck your mother.
All of now come round me and I when the things that I know so not like me, I just laugh. Cause I me first never like you.
Penis is too small.
Excuse me?
It doesn't, and it just, it can't. And I can't. And it's just too damn small.
Me? If I got a shop, go trust what being dog, go trust what next human being to blood clot.
The most dangerous person walking this earth is a fake, disloyal, envious, jealous person who calls themselves your friend.